Cold brew is enjoyed by so many, but at times, when somebody goes to the store, gets a new bag of coffee, they're wondering, where do they even start? There's no information on the bag. Today, we're going to be talking about 2 easy recipes to at least guide you, get you going on your merry-go way, right? Let's talk about it.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna be talking real quick about this. It's ground coffee, 1 cup, and then cold brew is pretty easy to make. You just put it in a container. Once you do that 1 cup. You put some water in there. In this case, you're gonna be putting 2 cups of water for a stronger, intense flavor type of coffee. Also put the grams on there because I know people will probably prefer that. And then to the left, you'll see 4 cups of water. And then that makes more so like a normal cup, a 1 to 10 ratio if you're using grams. So now what you do is just put the water in there, wait a couple hours. Not a couple hours. You actually wait about 24 hours. 24 hours is a good round number. You can do 18, whatever. You can do a little bit longer, but 24 hours, nobody can really mess that up, right? I don't think so. So now what we are going to do in this video is, I don't know why I'm doing this right here, demonstrating. This is first how to, just bear with me. I'm a rookie at this. So there we go. Normal. You can pause it. You can do whatever you need to in order to get that recipe. Like I said, 24 hours cold brew, you're good to go. And then you could tweak it from there. Once you tweak it from there, you can either do more or less or whatever. But that's it.
As you saw earlier, this recipe isn't really hard at all. This right here, this amount of coffee is a 1 cup measure, okay? And now if you're gonna go with different strength levels, this right here is 2 cups of water. This right here will provide you a very strong cup, and to me, a more clarity in a cup, but you can still get the robustness of what a cold brew is usually. This right here is 4 cups of water to 1 cup of ground coffee. This to me is probably on the verge of being a little too weak, but this works well because this is probably where you want it anyway, because a lot of times when people use this concentrate of 1 to 2 ratio, the thing about it is that they usually add water to it anyway. So let me show you some demonstrations here as I wrap this up. This right here is this ratio right here. This is usually 1 cup of ground coffee to 4 cups of water. This right here, as you can't see really the difference because they're black coffees, is that this is 1 cup of ground coffee to 2 cups of water. So here's a quick, easy ratio. And like I said, like I prefer this one, the more concentrate one, because one, if you want to add water, you can actually add water. Or this one I think is probably tending on the weaker side, but this may be exactly what you want. And you don't have to dilute this at all, or if it's still too strong for you, you can go ahead and dilute that. So that's what I got going for you. Let me know what you think. This is a quick and easy recipe of using either grams or a cup measure in this case. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any ideas, thoughts, or whatever. But again, this is all a guide. That's all it is. You can go in any direction that you want to go with this. And I believe this ratio, this type of recipe, will work with any type of coffee that you have. Because once you have this set, you can go about figuring out your ideal taste for that particular coffee. So, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, shit. Cold brew could be one of the easiest things to make. But when it's not, it tastes like shit. Let's fix that. Let's talk about it. Cold brew. I think a lot of people like it. And those who do, it's kind of hard for them to actually make it at home. With there no directions on the bags and there's nothing on roasters' websites, what can they do? Well, in this case, they can watch these videos. In this case, they can watch this video and get going on the right way. because I'm the best thriller in the game, right? I am. Talk to you soon. Bye. Cold brew. A couple recipes that we're going to be giving people because they need it and they love me and they understand who I am. So that's what I'm talking about right now. So we'll see what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm crazy. With so many different coffees out there and so many roasters not helping out roasters because they don't help out roasters. Let's get this shit out of here because that can't be in the frame.